Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we're going to see how to find Seed of Realm in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Please watch this video to the very end to know how to exactly do each step. So what you need to do is press play. It's important to note down that the owner will have to also need to do this. So then press realm at the top, select the realm at the left and then press edit active worlds. Then go to the game settings, then scroll down until you see the option download world and then click there. It's going to download and then it's going to go and import it. So you can come back here and press play in world. Then you can see the world. Yes, and then press edit. And then you can press advance to the left. And at the top you're going to go and see the world seed. Now you can press copy and share it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one.